Hey guys! If you're looking for a last-minute Halloween treat that's spooky, fun, and ridiculously easy, you're in for a real treat. No tricks. Today, I'm whipping up no-bake Halloween brownies with monster eyes, and trust me, you'll have these ready in just 15 minutes. First up, grab your favorite store-bought brownies. Yep, no oven, no mess. Just slice them into squares or even fun shapes. Get creative. Now, let's talk toppings. This is where the magic happens. I melt some chocolate chips in the microwave. Just 30 seconds, stir, repeat if needed. Drizzle that chocolatey goodness over the brownies. You can go wild here. Make swirls, zigzags, or just pour it on thick. Next, sprinkles. Orange, purple, black. Whatever screams Halloween to you. While the chocolate is still melty, press on those candy monster eyes. The more eyes, the spookier. Want to go extra? Add some gummy worms or candy corn for a little monster party on every bite. And honestly, that's it. Let them sit for a few minutes so the chocolate sets, or pop them in the fridge if you're in a hurry. These brownies are seriously adorable, super spooky, and perfect for parties, school treats, or just a fun night in. The best part? No baking, no stress, and you can totally customize them for any crowd. Kids love helping with the decorations, and you'll love how easy cleanup is. So next time you need a Halloween dessert in a flash, remember these monster eye brownies. They're cute, quick, and guaranteed to get a giggle, or maybe a little shriek. Give them a try and let me know how yours turn out. Happy Halloween, and stay spooky.